Hello friends, today August 12th is International Youth Day. As we are all in lockdown, it seems to be we are all somewhat demotivated and our energy level also began to decrease. So I decided to deliver a small motivational speech for the young population, especially during this International Youth Day. See, we are celebrating so many days, no, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Women's Day, Grandparents' Day, so many days are celebrated. All these are celebrated to honor them. But this International Youth Day is observed to create an awareness, especially the issues surrounding the youth, to create an awareness about the issues surrounding the youth, because over more than half the population in the world is below the age of 30. That's why nowadays this youth population grant more importance, and also youth is the most precious part in human life. Definitely the way how you are going to utilize this is going to determine the whole and the remaining part of your life, your honor. It's going to determine your success, your happiness, your good name, and so on. So please utilize this youth part in your life in a very useful way. And also youth, you are the one who are the source of energy, the source of innovation, and the source of creativity, and so on. And they are the most connected people in the world, and they are the most outspoken, they are the most open-hearted people, open-hearted generation in the world. Also today's youth, you only have the potential and the power to shape the whole world, not only in present but also in future. That's why Swami Vivekananda also rightly said that the power of the youth is indescribable. But it is very sad to share that 1 out of 10 children in the world is living in conflict zone. Also it is said that where there is a conflict, armed conflict or unrest is there, the youth population seems to be large in number. That is why UN decided to recognize and celebrate the power and the potential of the youth to bring change in their community, in their country, and in the world as a whole. So as a catalyst of change, you only have the ability to prevent conflict while initiating and sustaining peace. Definitely youth, you are only responsible for sustainable peace. Please notice the word sustainable. And also it is true that youth are the one who are the most worstly affected population by the negative aspects of the violence in the society. But the youth people can only act as an agent for the positive change. Also the world leaders also, they began to realize the importance and the urge, the need of the participation of the young people in maintaining peace as a peacemakers, and also their participation in decision making. Definitely young people, you are going to be the decision makers in future. And regarding decision making, I want to give you one small advice, that is, right decision at wrong time is going to be a wrong decision only. So students, please learn to take right decision at the right time and reach heights in your life. All the best, and thanks for watching.